going on, guys? So a lot of times people think that triceps only work as an extension of the forearm at the elbow. So they'll always do the classic tricep pushdowns or cable extensions, which is gonna work all three heads of the triceps at the same time. The three heads are, we have the long head, which lies closest to the body. We have the lateral head, which lies farthest away from the body, and the medial head, which lies under the lateral and long head. And when you do exercises like the tricep pushdowns or cable extensions, those exercises are gonna work the muscles or three heads all at the same time, which means basically those three heads are gonna share the load. Now in this video I have an exercise that's gonna target only one aspect of the triceps, so that way you can get a more fully developed triceps. We're gonna go over the setup, how to perform this exercise, and how many sets and reps you should be doing to get the most out of this exercise. So let's rule your fitness. So the exercise that we're going to be doing is going to be the dumbbell straight arm tricep extension. We're going to be extending / hyperextending the arm at the shoulder, which is going to isolate the long head of the tricep. Now when it comes to the setup, we're going to get our dumbbell, stagger our feet, we're going to hold onto a platform, keep that core tight, back and neck all in one line, and make sure your shoulders are away from your neck, so that way we can get a nice full range of motion when we're doing this exercise. Now as far as performing this exercise, we're going to maintain a straight arm at all times, and then with that working arm, just make sure you extend as far back as possible. Pause for a second at the top and then pause again when you go back down or reach the starting position. So that way momentum is not a factor. You know, we want to be moving the weight, not the weight to move us. And when it comes to sets and reps, I recommend 3 to 5 sets, 15 reps each with progressive overload, whether that's increasing the amount of weight after each set and or increasing the amount of time you go through, each repetition, whether that's, slowly coming up for 3 seconds, pausing at the top, and then slowly going back down for 3 seconds and pausing at the bottom. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, again, subscribe. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.